Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your April 3rd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Pisces, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what's happening in your career and your love life. First we will begin with career. But before that, if you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and find your reading. So you have got the Abyss and the Sun card for your career. Wow, beautiful. I do see a lot of happiness coming your way, contentment coming your way, problems and obstacles being removed, money, success, abundance coming your way. So if ever you feel stuck, Pisces, third week is the time where you have to take the guidance from your own intuition, from your own higher wisdom, right? This is a card of intuition. You are an intuitive being. You are quite spiritually more aligned as compared to other signs. Your higher wisdom is constantly speaking to you at all times, right? If you ever get stuck, whether I should change the job, whether I should go for the studies or not, whether I should start a business or not, whether I should change this business or not, whatever that question on your mind is, instead of asking other people, if you focus on yourself, if you ask yourself your higher wisdom, you will be able to make the right decisions in your life. You will see that your decisions, your own intuition is leading you on the way to success and on the way to happiness. So expect a lot of abundance, success and happiness coming your way. You will be very content and happy with the decisions that you took in your life. I'm not saying that the people around you right now will be giving you anything negative information or any wrong advice. No. But your intuition and your vision, the kind of advice you will get from there is what will bring you a lot more closer to your higher purpose, I would say, which will bring a lot of abundance, open all doors of opportunities for you. So please listen to yourself. If we talk about your love life, let's see what's happening there. You've got the Eight of Stars and the Page. You could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising. It's not necessary. This one sign popped up, so I have mentioned it. I do see that you are stuck on some person, right? Like you're not able to move on from that person. Your past life, it could have been months and years, but you are stuck. Or this person has hurt you so badly that you've lost your self-worth. You have started thinking that I don't deserve love, I'm never gonna get love, I'm not good enough. Because people have always chosen someone else over you. So you felt neglected, you felt abandoned, you felt ghosted, which some of you would have actually experienced. I do feel that your prosperity, that love that you want, that devotion, that loyalty, that happiness that you want in your love life is very near. But unfortunately, this past experience has made you so negative in life that you're not able to just manifest your right partner, manifest that happiness in your relationship and marriage. You have to move on from the past hurt. You have to keep on working on yourself, your mind, keep telling it to be positive. Your work life looks good to me, but your uh, love life sucks right now, right? So you have to come out of this, because I also see that you could be attracting a lot of illnesses also, a lot of diseases also. So third week of April, please take care of your health. You could be falling sick, you could have deficiencies, you could have aches in your body, you could have a headache as well. I also see lack of nutrition, poor sleep, poor appetite. So please take care of your body. Sleep on time, get up on time, exercise, eat right. Most importantly, think positive, because this affects this, right? This is our crown. This what happens here affects our whole body. So if you keep on feeding yourself with negative energies like I don't deserve it, I'm not good, I'm bad, and my body looks this way, this my hair looks this way, all that is your body is going to listen to you, okay? And that is why you're facing issues in your life right now. Not just your health I'm talking about, but in your love life as well. Every partner, every person that you meet will be treating you like shit only because you are treating yourself like shit. So first you have to change your energies. You're not going to attract any partner in the third week till the time you don't correct your energies, right? You have to start thinking positively, start feeding yourself with love. Why am I saying that? Because the stranger is around the corner. A love that you have been waiting for, that devotion, that loyalty that you deserve and want is around the corner. But you're so stuck in your head that you just can't see it. Now, the stranger can be a colleague, the stranger can be a friend that you're already talking to, or somebody you're already speaking to, but you just can't see it. You just can't see their value, what they're offering, because you are expecting someone to come back in your life and make it right for you, right? Don't do that, because I do see that you are pushing away your destiny. You're pushing away your good times. You're pushing away your love life. You're pushing away your true love. You're pushing away your happy relationship and marriage. All that starts with you, begins with you. So please first love yourself. The third week is only and only going to be about focusing on your self spices for you. So you have to make sure that you're working hard. Focus on yourself, feed yourself with powerful, loving energy, and you will automatically see the change in the coming weeks, right? Hopefully, the next week will be better for you provided you work on yourself. So, this week is all about you, your health, your positive thinking. If you do that, you will find opportunities in love, because I do see someone is just around the corner. Your work life looks great if I talk about that. If you think that this is exactly what is happening in your life, if you resonated with this reading, please feel free to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can share it with all other Pisces that you have, or if you want to say that's exactly what is happening with my life and look, this person told, with your friends as well. If you would like to book a personal reading with me or any ritual with me, I will tell you that ritual is going to be performed starting 12th or 13th, because that's the time of full moon, very powerful time. So please book a ritual. And if you have any questions available in personal reading regarding this or any other area of your life, I do have specific targeted audience readings also. Like singles, I have a different package. Career, I have a different package. Situationship, relationship, marriage, I have a different package. And friendship, if you've just met someone, things are not working out, you want to see how they're feeling, I have a different package. People who are in no contact, they want to know how their partner is feeling right now, I have specific no contact reading as well, which is called oracle love reading. So I have various services targeted especially for you, curated especially for you, at a very minimal cheap budgeted price, so that it is not heavy on your pocket. And the rituals also that you do are not like you have to collect a lot of ingredients and sit for 1 hour and stuff like that. No, very easy powerful rituals. People who have done that have found the results already, by the way, like in 2 days, 3 days time, depending upon how positive your energy is. So positivity you have to keep, guys. If you want, you can email me for readings, for bookings, for rituals at my email ID, which is given in my description box. It's Astha Sharma 842 at gmail.com, or you can Instagram DM me as well at the Moksha Tarot. Please also follow me on Instagram, because I post all such details, new services, discounts, when to do rituals, how to do it, when not to do, what to do, everything on day to day basis over there. You will find all the prices as well over there. If you do not find the price of anything, just DM me, ping me or email me. I will send you the entire price list as well. Very easy, very budgeted, very cheap, I must say. Check it out and let me know. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.